Hi YouTube, it's Vanilla Ice Cream, and today I'll teach you how to compliment someone in Thai. If you want to compliment a girl, you can say her name and the word "sui," telling her she's beautiful. For example, Paola sui, meaning Paola is beautiful. And if you want to compliment a guy, you can say his name and the word "law," meaning handsome. For example, Paolo law, meaning Paolo is handsome. Many Thais really like the word "narak," meaning cute. And you can say this to anybody, including animals. For example, Paola narak, meaning Paola is cute. And if you want to say very, you just add the word mak. For example, Paola sui mak, meaning Paola is very beautiful. If you want to tell someone you're intelligent, say "คุณฉลาด." And I'm proud of you is ฉันภูมิใจในตัวเธอ. You make me happy is คุณทำให้ฉันมีความสุข. And lastly, คุณทำให้ฉันยิ้ม, meaning you make me smile. That's it for today's video, and in the next video I'll teach you 10 pickup lines in Thai. Okie dokie, see ya!